Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Tito. Uh, Please I introduce myself. My name is Sinta Deviana. I'm from 556 class. Today I would like to presentation about my mind mapping. I choose Mid 12. It's about multimodal discourse analysis. But in this meeting, I only explain about the definition, background, genre, speech of act, multimodality, and example. Okay, first of all, I will explain about the definition of multimodal discourse analysis. Multimodal discourse analysis is a new study in discourse study to combine text with image, color, symbol, or another semiotic sources. The text and semiotic sources are used to represent meaning and uh, enhance exam print genre as well as genre such as a web page, film, television program. It's considered how multimodal texts are designed and how the semiotic tools such as color, framing, focus, position element contribute in the making of meaning in the text. Okay, after I explain about the definition, uh, we have to know also about the background of multimodal discourse analysis. Okay, background of multimodal discourse analysis. It's much work in multimodal discourse analysis draw from Halliday. Social semantic approach to language. A few that consider language as one among a number of semiotic resources, such as a gesture, image, music, that people use to communicate or making meaning with each other. And the holiday 2009 is also described. There are three types of social meaning or function are drawn on the simulation in the use of language. The first one is ideational. It's what's text about. Second one, interpersonal. Uh, it's a relation between participant, and then the lastly, textual meaning, how the message are organized. And then uh, here there are genre, speech art, and multimodality. For the first, I will explain about the genre. Genre analysis is one of the type of discourse analysis. It employs analysts to generate as the text, both oral text and written text, to analyze the genre it. It focuses on the idea of text, the genre theories, which will be similar or different, and it depends of classification between the genre. For the example, when it's a company, when we say it's a company stage, provide a conventionalism way of getting this done. In this case, buying a something in a particular culture. Then the second one, there is a speech art, speech act. Speech act is how a speech act is brought up in illusionary act, what the speech act is aiming to do, and the particularly act, the effect it has on the thought and action of people. Example: when we talk, we do such as agree, promise, warn, order, invite, congratulate, advise, thank, insult, and there's a no an aspect act. And the last one, there is a multimodality. Multimodality is refers to the interplay between the different represent, representational mode, for instance, between image and written or spoken word. Example: understanding a television weather forecast medium involve understanding spoken language, written language, whether a specific language such as a temperature scale, geography, and a symbol called sun and rain, and etc. And lastly, I will give more the example of multimodal discourse analysis. Maybe I will make it simple. When we want to know what is the multimodal discourse analysis, we can say the poster for the example. And in the poster, there are many features, there are many objects there, and then we can analyze all of the object in the poster. For the example, there's a poster uh, in the something brand with a good talent or a good artist. It's make a poster looks like good and interest to look at. And then when we see the film, there are many things such as a trailer. It making us to want watching the film. It's more interest of the film. And then another example, in the design of something brand, like I say, like a poster. It's not only an image, or it's not only a symbol, but it's have a meaning. All of the part in the poster, film, or design of something. And it's about discourse, multimodal discourse analysis. Okay, maybe that's all about my explanation about multimodal discourse analysis. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.